Welcome back to Luxury Yacht Hub. Today, we're taking you aboard the impressive ROVE 245 for a complete walkthrough and full boat tour. Designed to combine modern styling, practical functionality, and dependable performance, the ROVE 245 is quickly gaining attention among boating enthusiasts looking for a versatile vessel that delivers both comfort and capability. Whether you're planning weekend cruises, family adventures, fishing trips, or relaxing days on the water, this boat offers a well-balanced package that stands out in today's recreational boating market. From the very first glance, the ROVE 245 makes a strong impression with its sleek profile, contemporary design, and carefully sculpted hull. Every line has been engineered to improve efficiency while giving the boat a modern, sporty appearance. Its wide beam provides additional stability on the water, creating a confident ride even when conditions become less than ideal. Stepping aboard, the spacious swim platform immediately welcomes guests. Designed for convenience and safety, it offers easy access to the water for swimming, snorkeling, paddleboarding, or simply relaxing by the shoreline. Stainless steel boarding ladders and durable non-slip surfaces provide secure footing for passengers of all ages. Moving into the cockpit, the thoughtful layout becomes immediately apparent. Comfortable wraparound seating maximizes available space while encouraging conversation among family and friends. Premium marine-grade upholstery provides both durability and comfort, ensuring the seating remains attractive after years of exposure to sun and salt water. Hidden storage compartments beneath the seating offer generous room for life jackets, ropes, fenders, water toys, and other boating essentials. Every available space has been utilized efficiently, helping owners keep the deck organized during day trips or extended outings. At the center of the cockpit, a versatile entertainment area allows owners to customize the space according to their needs. Whether hosting a waterfront lunch, enjoying refreshments after swimming, or relaxing during sunset cruises, the flexible seating arrangement adapts easily to different activities. The Helm station reflects modern marine technology combined with practical ergonomics. The captain enjoys excellent visibility through the windshield while seated in a comfortable adjustable Helm chair designed for extended cruising. Every control is positioned within easy reach, reducing fatigue during long hours on the water. The dashboard features advanced multifunction displays providing GPS navigation, chart plotting, engine monitoring, depth information, fuel management, and system diagnostics. Digital instrumentation gives the operator immediate access to critical vessel information while maintaining a clean and organized appearance. Powering the ROVE 245 is a reliable marine engine engineered to deliver smooth acceleration, efficient fuel consumption, and dependable performance. Whether cruising comfortably with family, towing water sports enthusiasts, or exploring coastal waterways, the propulsion system provides responsive handling and confident operation. The hull design plays a significant role in overall performance. Carefully engineered hydrodynamics reduce resistance while improving stability and fuel efficiency. The result is a comfortable ride that inspires confidence across a wide variety of water conditions. Forward of the helm, the bow seating area provides another inviting social space. Plush cushions, integrated cup holders, and secure handrails create a comfortable environment where passengers can relax while enjoying panoramic views during every journey. Attention to detail is evident throughout the vessel. Stainless steel hardware, premium fixtures, high-quality lighting, durable flooring materials, and carefully finished surfaces demonstrate a commitment to craftsmanship that enhances both appearance and long-term reliability. Below deck, the cabin offers a surprisingly spacious retreat considering the boat's overall size. Natural light enters through strategically positioned windows, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Comfortable seating converts into practical sleeping accommodations, making overnight stays possible for weekend adventures. Storage remains a priority inside the cabin as well. Lockers, shelving, and concealed compartments provide space for luggage, personal belongings, safety equipment, and additional supplies without compromising interior comfort. The enclosed head compartment offers privacy and convenience for longer excursions. Equipped with practical marine facilities, it significantly enhances the overall versatility of the ROVE 245, especially during full-day cruises or overnight trips. Ventilation throughout the interior has been carefully considered. Opening hatches, strategically positioned windows, and optional climate systems help maintain a comfortable environment regardless of weather conditions. Safety remains one of the most important aspects of the boat's design. High freeboards, secure handrails, reliable navigation lighting, automatic bilge systems, fire extinguishing equipment, and thoughtfully positioned grab handles all contribute to passenger confidence while underway. Entertainment options further enhance the onboard experience. Integrated marine audio systems, Bluetooth connectivity, USB charging ports, and premium speakers allow guests to enjoy their favorite music while cruising scenic waterways or relaxing at anchor. The ROVE 245 also excels in versatility. Owners can easily adapt the boat for fishing, water sports, family recreation, coastal cruising, or peaceful evenings watching the sunset. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for first-time buyers as well as experienced boaters seeking a capable all-around vessel. Maintenance accessibility has also been carefully planned. Engine compartments, service points, electrical systems, and mechanical equipment remain easily accessible, simplifying routine inspections and helping reduce long-term ownership costs. Fuel efficiency has become increasingly important for modern boat owners, and the ROVE 245 delivers an excellent balance between performance and economical operation. Efficient hull design, optimized propulsion, and lightweight construction contribute to extended cruising range while minimizing fuel consumption. As recreational boating continues growing in popularity, vessels like the ROVE 245 demonstrate how thoughtful engineering can combine luxury, practicality, and dependable performance into one complete package. It offers owners the freedom to explore new destinations while enjoying the comfort and convenience expected from a premium recreational boat. Whether navigating quiet inland lakes, coastal waterways, or protected bays, the ROVE 245 provides a smooth, enjoyable experience for everyone on board. Its combination of modern styling, intelligent design, advanced technology, and reliable performance makes it a standout choice in today's boating market. The complete walkthrough reveals a vessel that has been designed with real-world boating in mind. Every feature serves a practical purpose while contributing to an overall experience centered on comfort, safety, and enjoyment. Thank you for joining Luxury Yacht Hub for this exclusive full walkthrough of the impressive ROVE 245. If you enjoyed today's tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Luxury Yacht Hub, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest boat tours, luxury yacht showcases, marine technology features, and exclusive walkthroughs from around the world. Until next time, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure on the water.